Hi, I'm going to show what you need to do if you have a Fibonacci trader, a Fibonacci Galactic trader, or a Galactic trader that you bought or you rent. You want to have a key that goes in the computer, a printer port key or USB key. I want to tell what you need to do to get our new Forex data direct from our servers. Then the first thing we need to do is make sure that you have on your database file in your exchanges file, the exchange called Forex. And to do that, you go to File, Exchanges, Edit Exchanges, and you find if you do have a Forex on this list. I don't have one, and if I to make one, I'll create one here. I'll type Forex on exchange name, and I'm going to press the button Add. That's add the button a Forex exchange to my list. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to put the time zone. In my case, it's -5 because I am on USA Eastern Time. I'm 5 hours from GMT now, and I'm not in daylight savings anymore. When this daylight savings come back in next summer, close next summer, I will need to change that to -4. Real time delay is 0. There is no delay on that data. And wait for the close, you can put 10 minutes. And you can click save. Then Forex now is -5. And click it again, and there are some things you need to do here. One is make sure that you have the trading times in a way that will work fine, and that will be click on trading times, check Sunday. On open Sunday, type 00:00, and then you come on the top of the open here and double click it. That copies 00:00 to every day, and on the close you use 23:59 and double click it. That's the trading times they're going to use for the Forex with our data. And then you click save, and then you click Forex again, and click the default unit. The default unit is already there, right? It's decimal 4 and it's .0001. It's a .3001. And if you don't have that, just click decimal, type 4 and type .001 and click OK and click save again. Now you have now a Forex exchange on your list of exchanges, and then you can close this window now. Then if you come here when you start the program and you have file, exchange, edit exchanges, and you already have Forex there, you don't need to do all that I did now. The only thing you need to do is make sure that you have -5 there if you are Eastern Time, -6 if you are Central Time, -7 Mountain Time, -8 if you are Pacific Time, 0 if you are GMT time, and make sure that the Forex time zone is correct. If it's not, just click on it, change to the number that's correct for you, and click save. Otherwise, keep as it is. Then the second thing you want to do after checking our Forex exchange is click on Utilities, Data Source, select RT Data Vendor, and check the Fibonacci Trader Forex option, and then click OK. You're going to get the login box. I have my username there. In your case, we will ask you when you do the registration to use a username. Instead of username, you see asking you your serial number. Your username is going to be the serial number of your program. If you don't know your serial number, you can come here on Help About, click on Help, and then About, and that will give you the serial number. And if you didn't register yet, you just can come here and click in this button. If not registered yet, click here to register, and that will bring to a page where you show you what the options are. You have that registration that I talk about, that you need to put your serial number in, and you do all the process to register to be able to have a username and password. In my case, I have my username. I'm going to type my password and then click OK. And then I will be logging on the server. Then now I'm going to create a symbol. Symbols are the currency slash currency, then UR slash USD, USD slash JPY, but always a slash in between the two currencies. If you just want to see the list of the currencies we have, you can keep them here on File, Symbols, New Symbol, and this Help button here, click Help. That will open a web page that has the 17 pairs we have in the program on the server. On my case, I'm not going to use this window to create a symbol. It's much easier for me. Just press the F5 key on the keyboard, and then with that brings out this window. And my default exchange here is New York Stock Exchange, and as I want Forex exchange, I need to type Forex and then the tilde and then UR/USD. I need to type the exchange that I want, the tilde, and then UR/USD. And if the Forex exchange was the default exchange here, we're saying Forex, then you don't need to put the Forex tilde. You just put UR/USD. In my case, I need to put the Forex in. And it says Forex there, and you type Forex tilde UR/USD, there's no problem. Then you can always type Forex tilde UR/USD every time that you want, never going to be a problem. Then click OK. Oops. I forgot something on when I create the Forex exchange, and that is I don't give abbreviation name. And if I come back here on the Forex and click on Forex, there is no exchange abbreviation, and I need to have that to use on that window that we just were there to click the symbol. Then I will type here Forex and click Save. Again, if you already have Forex there, you don't need to do that. Everything will be there already. All this is just for if you didn't have a Forex exchange in your file yet. Then if you don't have one, you create one, and I forgot to type this abbreviation here, and that's why the program complained there. Then I'm going to save here, I'm going to close, and when I press F5 again now, and I do my Forex tilde UR/USD, that must work, and does. Then in that case a chart, and you download the daily chart, daily, weekly, monthly, on this case on the Fibonacci Trader, and that's the daily chart. Then if you want a 1 minute chart, just go there, right click, create new chart, and then put the 1, 5, 25, whatever, and create all the charts. If you want another symbol, F5, and then you want the Forex USD JPY, you're going to get the Japanese yen against the US dollar. And as the Forex has by default 4 decimal, you're going to see everything in 4 decimals on the scale. The only one that we have, I think, that doesn't need 4 decimals is exactly the Japanese yen. And if you want this one to be a decimal with 2 decimals, just get the chart, right click on it, click this symbol, edit symbol parameters, and then on decimals change to 2, and tick size change to 0.01. And when you do that, you're going to have now 2 decimal points, and the tick size is 0.01. And that's what you need to do to use the Forex data that we have in our servers now. And if you bought or rent a Fibonacci Galactic Trader or Fibonacci Trader or Galactic Trader.